Kublai pi barok ngip yang subhai pi cekatup kubo mentaka janmiat shaban paish kubo bubnya ini pecuai kimat berkongsan. Kentu menturang ba'du ukari Narendra Modi ya karukom trei ke betrei lang banyakun persya ya kejeng syak penjulor hakabor Mariang. Pelong ke planning board ya kejeng lang beningkong kular bantrei na kebentar ke jela. An perkat jeliu ke BJP halo ke jing bomla ban lek bha ke elections ke yang darba tauan ke badang shudaption. Ba ke jing kentho o Amit Shah halo ba ke Meghalaya ke long ke jela ke bam saptam omla ban shim ba ke dei ke jing kentho election ong uba AL hek. Ikubo ke bubnya Umenturang ba'du ukari Narendra Modi ula kentu ya kepertai banyak trailang banyak kun persya ya kejing syak penjulor hakabor Mariang. Abakren hakajing elang jong ke International Conference on Disaster Resilient Infrastructure ICDRI kebasan Modi ula ong bah hakajing dai bajan kiri kepertai. Kajing ta jong kajing syak penjulor hakabor Mariang om tang bagakta ya kata keri dekumta dai banyo ya kajing trailang jong baro. Syuk-syuk ulo ong bakawai pakawai keri kia kendu ya kejeng penjulor babunjat bat kishnong kitau kila tau kilat kilinti baya day bat kejeng tay kibala ban kerda ya kejeng syak penjulor hagabor Mariang.
India is also bringing the world together through its G20 presidency. At the president of G20, we have already included the CDRI in many working groups. The solutions you explore here will receive attention at the highest levels of global policy making. This is an opportunity for CDRI to contribute to infrastructure resilience, especially against climate risks and disasters.
Chairman jong ke Meghalaya State Planning Board uba met ba lingdo enen gesngi ulo ong ba ke board kan trei shitom benok senyang na ke benta ke bah kamiat jong ke jela hadian bela penya ya ke jingelang beningkong jong ke board uba met ba ulo ong ba kila don hangne om tang ba kila syak thung kum chairman la ne ki dekot jong ke board hendai ki don hangne benok senyang na ke benta ke jingkiu jong ke jela ula pentip ru bakane ke jingelang beningkong jong ke board ke long ban pen itu bat ke sorkar kampat ai kinu ke jing pentip na ke benta ke jingtung ya ki wei pat ke dekot jong ke board ula ong ru bakin sakmi tu bat kin sai kendu yo menjurang ba banyakren halo ke rukom treikam jong ke board bat kumno ban kam pen klan yaka.
We are here that just because we have been appointed as members, chairman of the board and members of the board, we are here to contribute to the welfare of the state. We are very committed, and I'm pleased to inform you that both the honorable members today who are the co-chairman of the board have, said that we are not here just to enjoy the perks and facilities of the government whom they have been appointed as the members of the board, but we are here to contribute, and we will ensure that we will do so.
National General Secretary ke BJP Rituraj Sinha ula ong bagaseng kan sakmi tu bat yet benya halo ka jing bomla ban le bha ke BJP hakani ke elections ke yang dorba tauan badang shudap chen Meghalaya abakran bekela pathai khubor usunha ula bu jing keli bebalai bat kumno ke seng ke thmu ban penklan ya ka jing don jongka Meghalaya ka long ka mat jongka jing khmi tu Habahun bat ki result usan hau lo ong bagaseng ke lapdang ke jengjiat jong pat ba ke jela watla kalala banjob tang arteli kisuki nakin rupau teli kisuki bala ke penyeng kertong shu lo ong ba ke jeng kershan bagaseng BJP ke yo naki brew ke jela ke lakiu nadu usnam ahaja khatpra.
In a healthy democracy, after the campaign ends and the election results are out, you accept the mandate of the people, and BJP has done exactly that. No, absolutely, I don't believe so. I think the support that we've got in the state of Meghalaya has only grown from 2018. We have seen a large number of people join our party. We could field candidates in all 60 assembly segments. The kind of crowds that have turned up for BJP events are recorded on camera. So obviously our support base has grown. Uh, why and what more can be done to further strengthen the party is a matter of introspection, and that goes on always.
Menteri Ubalong Ru Unongelam Gaseng BJP Uba Alexander Laluhek Ulaong ba ka jingkento Menteri Ketnat Gikam Po Yeng Amit Shah ba ka Meghalaya ka dei ka jela ka babam Saptam Hagari Omla Banshim ba ka long tangkum ka jingkento election kumalakam dang shen da Menteri Dang ba Ukonrat Ki Sangma Hadian beladap tahu ya ke sokar MDA 2.0 lembat ka seng BJP bat kiwei ki seng Ukonrat Sangma ula kentaj ya ka jingkento Amit Shah ba ka long ka basniu ha ka san hima sima bat ulaong ba ki jingkeno ladai ladirtat ha ka por election hendai da ka bapensyai ba ka jingkento Amit Shah ka don jingmut selendet ha ba ulaong kumtei uba hek ulaong ba ka ni ka jingkento kawan na unongelam ubay lam mi kari bat ka seng kanyai beteng ya ka jingi khun persya ke kambam sap haba keli la ka seng kan dawa ya ka jing tokit balait luit ulaong ba ya ka ni ka jing dawa ladai banwan na kinongelam ka seng kemie.
Union Minister, Home Union Minister had said in the Tura meeting. So that is not suffice to all of us, for the people of the states. They were saying that the most corrupted, so the BJP is for beginning fighting against corruption. We will continue to fight against corruption. An election statement cannot come from the top leaders who was running the country.
So you differ with the same about this issue.
So what? Who spoke about the corruption? Tell me or the Honorable Union Home Minister?
So you need to have an inquiry into that.
So that has been the party has also told. This is we require.
Ashwa ka jing tap vote ha soyong ka seng NPP nen gasngi ka la pelong ya ka jing ilang banyatai halo kilat kilenti ban pengklan ya ka seng ha ka ni ka constituency abakran bakinong tho khubor hadian ka jing ilang ukertong ka NPP uba asamlen malngyang ulaong ba ka seng kan tre shitom ban yo ya ka jing job ha ka ni ka election wat hadian ba ula penpau ya ka jing sngo scam ba ki brio jong ka constituency sa sien kin jet byang yu kum unong mi khmat jongki ulakan tho ba kinong tap vote ha ka constituency ki sngo thu ya ka jing don kam banjiet ya ubriu ubadon hapo ka sarkar khnang ba onla banwanra e ka roi ka par ha ka constituency
ka jing ya kan bas election hapo sayo ka dei ka wei ka ba click tam hapo ka is ka siri bro ka wei yala asaki ni din ba ki social media bagi kot kebon bag na so tanap mo penting pi katu kajing kan tho kajing no ka bani ni kan man na kani na kalang joni kam ran dien ba kan tho mi hab kan sa yi dan rei ka kambon ni jing kan tho aga be dei na kalang ba UDP bagi bot ki jing kan tho ba ya parti PP kam tam ni parti ba hadien nam ta ki juang ba ba samet ba biang ban trei kri parti kam no dan rei mentari undang reform dengan sarkar kata parti UP bahkan tho ini bagai silang dari sarkar
kaseng United Democratic Party kasanya halo ka vote ngosen a ban job e ka shuki na so yong constituency ha ka balahap an pensange ya ka jing tap vote na ka daw ka jing klat kandet jong kertong ka UDP uba HDR lingdo uba met ba lingdo ula kan tho ba ka ne ka vote ngosen a kan long ka jing mento ya ka seng shu president ka UDP ula penpau ya ka jing sngo scam ban job ha ka ne ka election so yong da ka boong bakat kum ka khubo bla yo na ka telong ka long ba ukertong ka seng unyo ya ka jing job shu ula ong ba ha ka ne ka kenti ngin pentikna ba ka seng UDP kan job yang bat kan penpau ya ka jing sngo hun ba ka jing sngo jongki ya uba HDR lingdo namar ki jing no senyang jong u ya ka constituency bat kumju ya ki dekot ka long yeng ha ki tu ki snam ha ba ula long kum MLA ka so yong.
We will ensure that even we voted for, we were with a different political party, but this time we'll ensure that we are back with the UDP to ensure that we would like to say show our gratefulness to late SDR Lingla because of his contribution to the constituency and even to them also as family. in this during those years when he was the MLA of Soyo.
Mentapan ini pej ke jing long jiman ka sumin dengan shalong ka jing shit ka long @pulai point pra degree Celsius ba ka jing kriat ka long khat point san degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau ka long lai persan nak shi spa men step ban ru persan nak shi spa jan miet ka la bandon ka jing hap slap ba ka jing tiet upar that ak be bun ki benta shalong sa sian pan i pen kan mai pi be ka ni ka khubor jing i phila ban pej ha ka ju hi ka por ha ka YouTube channel ba ru phila ban pej ya ki khubor ba man la ka sngi ha ka Facebook ka Twitter ba Instagram jong ka di news shalong Shoban poi shi ka bakut jong ka thup khubor ni pej biang sa sin ni ki mat ba kong san Kentu Menteri Rang Bakdu Kari Narendra Modi ya ka rukom trei ka be trei lang banyak kon persya ya ka jing sya penjulor ha ka bor Mariang Pelong ke planning board ya ka jing lang ban ningkong kular ban trei na ka benta ka jela On perkhat jeliu ke BJP halo ka jing bamla ban le bha ka election ka yang darbar thau an ka badang shudeption Bat ka jing kentho Amit Shah halo ka ba ka Meghalaya ka long ka jela ka bam sap tam omla ban shim ba ka dei tang ka jing kentho election ong uba el hek Tiparlok ka tungi la poi shi bakut jong ka thup khubor jing men ta ka jan miet hadu bangin shim pil shai ka sngi ha ka juk ka po ka be shi boni pi ba
अरे क्या देख रहा है? मेरे पास भी यही इलेक्ट्रॉनिक प्रोडक्ट है। सारे फीचर्स धांसू हैं। ऊपर से इतनी कम प्राइस